Hi everyone, this is Krista with Art Graphic Studio. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble my beautiful lantern for your special event decor. While styled for a wedding, it can be used for any event. Let's get started. If you have not already downloaded your SVG file, you can go to my Etsy shop by going to etsy.com and searching for Art Graphic Studio. Then scroll or search for the SVG you're looking for. If you are a Cricut Design Space user, you may be able to access my free designs. For more information, see my note at the end of this video. So here are the components for the lantern, and I have embossed. So those will be the outside. The roses that are embossed on here will show the outside. Before we put it together, we need to put the vellum, and I'm using a clear vellum on each of these lattice works. Also on each of the triangles we'll need to put the vellum. So we'll do that and we'll be right back. Next thing you want to do is to fold on all the fold lines. And then we'll start gluing it together. All right, we have our two pieces, we have all our folds done. Now we need to connect the two pieces together. And it doesn't really matter where you start. So we'll start right here. So we'll glue along this line and then attach it to here. Make sure that line is lined up very nicely there. Now I'm going to go ahead and put some paper clips on that to help it hold until it dries, which won't take but a few minutes. Now we'll do the same thing on the other side. And we'll let it dry again. All right, now that we've got the sides glued together, we're going to glue together the bottom. Fold in these two sections and then this section. And I would go ahead and put a little glue on here just to keep it in place. And then fold this one in and slide it in this section right here. And I'm going to put some additional glue right here. Now, hold that down till it can dry a little bit. Then I have this piece that will serve as the bottom. Let's put some glue on that. And set it in the bottom and just press it down. With the vellum, that's not really going to show, but it does still help make the lantern more sturdy. Now what you want to do next is you want to glue the sides together like this. Now what you can do is if you plan on using a luminary, then you don't want to glue the sides together. You want to use some temporary strips that will hold it together while you're using the luminary in it. But what you also can do is you can glue parts of it, set your luminary in, and then put your strip just on the one side. So I think I'll do that. I'm just going to hold that for a minute. Not really a good way to put a paper clip on it. So we'll hold that for a minute. I'm going to let that dry for a minute and we'll be right back. You can put your luminary, this is a little bit small, but you can put a larger luminary in, and then you can put some removable dots or removable tape on those two pieces to hold that together. And then same thing on that side. Or if you don't want to do that, you can just tie them together with a ribbon at the top, and that'll hold them. Just tie a ribbon right here. And then when you need to turn off your luminary, if you don't have a remote, best to get a remote luminary, but if you don't have one, then you can always open it back up. So let's get a ribbon on there and then we'll see how it looks. Now here is our lantern for our table. And this will look great with all the other decorations that you'll have on the table. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video useful, don't forget to click the like, subscribe, and notification bell to stay informed about more exciting projects. I appreciate you watching my video, and I will see you next time. If you're a Cricut user, you can access some of my free designs simply by opening the Cricut design space, and in the home screen, type in my shop name, Art Graphic Studio, and search. When this next screen comes up, scroll to the bottom and click on my profile. This will bring up my profile page, and all of my shared projects will be listed. Just a note though, if you're not a Cricut Access member, Cricut may want to charge you for any of their components that were used in the original design.